Good morning, NWA. Mike here at Pig Trail Harley-Davidson. I've got a friend with me here, someone that does a lot of custom work for our shop, Preston. And he got himself a new 26 Road Glide 3, and he loves to keep a Tour-Pak on his bike. So he's got a product here that he's going to open up, we're going to showcase. We're going to show you more videos for how this looks and gets installed, and then we're going to do a shout out here to this company. So Preston, how you doing this morning?
I'm doing great, thanks Mike.
Check this out here. Tell us about this company and this product that you got here real quick.
I've been dealing with Scott from Ohio for over a year. His company is GQ Tech. They make products to install parts on all types of motorcycles. My dealings with him was with the RG3s because I had a 24 RG3 prior to this 26, and I wanted to put my Tour-Pak on. Well, he makes a bracket so you can install a Tour-Pak on your RG3, and he had to redesign the bracket to work on the RG3 26 models. So he just sent me the first one off the line so I could demo it for him and make sure everything works good. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy here today.
Let's slice it open
and see what we got. I have not opened it yet. I have no idea what it looks like.
Don't put yourself on camera.
But I'm sure, and we even have to use a red, white, and blue knife because these guys are all military vets that work for him.
That's right. He's a military veteran himself, and everyone that works for his company is a veteran also.
Made by vets.
Made by vets in America.
Okay, it comes with a nice little pamphlet, so it tells you exactly how to install this bad boy.
Is this the first one that's going to go on a new redesigned trike?
It is.
That's
it
cool.
is. So,
okay, we're doing it, and we're pioneering that here at Pig Trail Harley-Davidson for you guys so you can see it.
Of course, they had to put one on a bike at their shop so they could make sure they had it built right.
Well, of course.
But he does all in-house builds. They machine everything out, and then they powder coat everything. Very good company. I highly recommend them.
And this is your second time you've done this with them,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, this is my second time installing on a RG3. The first one was a 24, and this one is for my 26. And these are solid mounts, so your Tour-Pak doesn't bounce up and down.
Awesome.
And it looks like this is the right side up, so it looks like this bolts to the frame somewhere down there.
Okay.
And then this comes up through a hole where your backrest would go through, and then your Tour-Pak just, you got to buy a special bracket, mounting bracket for your Tour-Pak, which they also make and sell. And we'll show that a little bit when we do the other video.
Man, this is super cool.
We're getting started here. We're gonna keep on going and keep on making videos for Pig Trail and for GQ Tech out of Ohio.
Guys, I know it's a little bit longer video, but we get a lot of customers that ask us, when's Harley gonna make a Road Glide 3 that has Tour-Pak on it? We don't have an answer for that, but we do have an answer and a solution for a company that makes a conversion so that you can mount your own on there. So we'll be excited to see this. Another video coming real soon to show you the next steps on this. Thank you, NWA. If you like this content, smash that like button and follow us for more. Have a blessed day.